Have you lost important text messages on Android phone due to accidental deletion, operating system update, or system malfunction and are looking to recover deleted text messages? If yes, then this video is for you. Watch this beautiful and follow the steps by downloading the application from the links in description and pin comment, and you can also restore deleted text messages from Android phone without root. Hey folks, messasges from Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to retrieve deleted text messages from Android phone without backup. The best thing is that we do not require to root our Android device. First, it is very common of us to delete text messages, but what if we need them back? How to restore deleted text messages? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to share with you all in this video. Just follow the steps shown and you can also restore deleted text messages from Android phone all by yourself. No technical knowledge is required. So watch the beautiful and know how text messages recovery process works and how you can get back your deleted text messages. And for this, we will be using a professional Android data recovery software, and that is Droidkit from iMobile. Droidkit can recover lost data with highest success rate and supports more than 13 types of data including photos, videos, contacts, audios, call logs, documents, text messages and much more. It also supports more than 20,000 plus Android devices from various brands like Huawei, Samsung, LG, Xiaomi, Realme, OnePlus and many more. The best thing is that data recovery process can be done without rooting Android phone. Wow, that's crazy. Let's give it a try, and for that click on free download. It starts downloading, and once Droidkit free download completes, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have Droidkit with all its features and capabilities. We can do so much with Droidkit, but today I will show you all how to retrieve deleted text messages without backup. Here we are back on Droidkit, and now let's move to data recovery. Now click on quick recovery from device. From here we can select the data we want to recover. As we want to recover deleted text messages, click on unselect and then select messages. Next, click on start. Now we will be required to connect Android phone to computer by USB. Now on Droidkit we need to select device brand. As I am using Xiaomi Redmi 4, selected Xiaomi. Now we need to follow the steps to enable USB debugging on Android phone. Follow the steps to do it. Open settings and then scroll down to additional settings and then tap on to open it. Scroll down and here we get developer options. Tap to open it. Now toggle this on and select OK to enable developer options. Now scroll down and here we have USB debugging. Toggle on and then tap on OK to enable it. Now our dialog box opens up. Allow USB debugging. Tap on this and then tap on OK. Now we need to enable install via USB. Toggle this on to do it. Once done, click on OK. Now we will get a dialog box to install Droidkit connector app on Android phone. Tap on install. Now it will install Droidkit connector app. Give it permissions and once done, it shows connected successfully. Now click on start. Now Droidkit will start looking for deleted text messages. Next, it will ask for permission to access data. Tap on allow to give permissions and then click on OK. Next, click on start. Within few seconds, it comes up with the text messages that we can recover. We can read them over here, and if we want to, we can also recover them to PC. Simply select all by clicking on this, and to save them, click on to PC. Now we need to confirm data format. We can choose HTML, PDF or text formats. Selected HTML from drop down menu. We can also select where we want to save data. Selected desktop and now click on continue. It will start to restore deleted text messages, and within few seconds we have a confirmation. Recovery completed. Click on view files and now we can see different text messages threads that we have recovered. Just open a file to view text messages of a certain person. For the same way, you can also recover any type of data from Android phone. Now what if your data was not found after quick recovery from device? Well, in this situation, you can always try deep recovery from device and you will surely be able to restore deleted data from Android phone. So easy and reliable. Same we can also retrieve deleted text messages from Android phone without backup or root using Droidkit from iMobile. Now you may ask, is Droidkit free to use? Well, it's not free. We will require plans to use it. So now let's talk about Droidkit pricing plans. Now we are back on official website. Click on see pricing. Here we have different pricing plans for Droidkit. Choose a plan as per your requirement. This is highly affordable and easy to use. I will highly recommend you to try Droidkit if you are looking to retrieve deleted text messages from Android phone without backup. And if you want to, find the links in description and pin comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also, share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to develop business, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Tech Hill. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Have you ever forgot Apple ID password? Well, if you are facing any issues like this video is for you. Want to recover deleted WhatsApp messages from Android phone without backup? If yes, this video is for you.